Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I show you a VS Code extension which is Tabnine AI, and it's very insane. It's similar to GitHub Copilot, Claude, and all such coding assistants which are there for VS Code. So if you just go to extensions, just type here Tabnine, and this is their extension. It's almost used by 10 million developers, so it's a very popular extension. And if you try to open this, you will see this is their website, tab9.com, and this is a AI coding agent that can write the code for you automatically. So you first of all create a simple account on this website. You sign up with your Google account and click on install right here. So as soon as you install this extension, this will be activated in the sidebar section if you see. So just wait, it is initializing it. So here you simply select your Google account to log in. So once you will be there in the subscription, so you are basically having this basic subscription right here. You can even upgrade as well. So this is their pricing model. It starts with $9 per month, but they give you free for 30 days. So you can try this for completely free, and then they have $39 $1 plan as well. So once activated, you will see this activate in the sidebar section, and is no longer available. You need to start the dev trial. So for this you need to enter the checkout information. Just enter your credit card details and right here start your free trial, which will be $0, and then you will be billed $99 per year starting August 24, 2025. You can cancel at any time. To cancel the subscription, you can see the cancel anytime with there. So once you activate this, you will see in the sidebar section, you will be able to edit or generate code. Simply open the, and then for sadly it is not available to try right here. You need to enter credit card information. So but definitely try this. It's a great tool. So it's a VS Code extension for AI code development and auto completions. You get all these features. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.